Right into this world, all alone. God takes your soul. Right into this world, all alone.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the final shot of Sons of Anarchy.
Just wrapped 10 minutes ago, and it hasn't quite sunk in that this thing has actually come to an end now, but it's just been such a beautiful experience. Looking back over the show, I do feel really proud of the work that we've all done, and I think that we set out to create something special, and I think we've achieved that.
Let's get our squeeze on in. Come on.
But I think I'm gonna wake up tomorrow with a kind of a big hole in my soul.
This really is the day of the end. This is the end. So, it's really sad.
What would I want to keep? Well, that's a good question.
My bike. I love getting on a Harley. I will miss those days a lot.
All these bikes are going back to Harley Davidson. Back to the Fleet Center. So, a little sad in a way.
These rings are something I'd really like to keep. And of course the cart.
What do I want to keep, or what will I keep? Jax's boxers, Tig's wristbands, Boone's Elvis costume. I'm just gonna start running around grabbing stuff.
So many things, so much history, a lot of history. 7 years is a long time.
Absolutely the best friends that I ever made in my life, and I plan on keeping them forever.
That's what I do.
We've had the experience of brotherhood, loyalty, and family. You know, that's gonna be in my heart forever.